Hi guys, so we're going to do an unboxing video sa ating ABS-CBN TV Plus Internet powered by ABS-CBN Mobile. Ayan, meron pa lang siyang bonus na 500 MB data. So, ayan, yung nakalagay sa labas. Sa taas, it says here, activate your 1-year warranty. And here sa likod, it says, ayan, yung mga channels na makikita nyo or mga included sa mahiwagang box. Ayan. So, na-open na siya yung seal kasi we have to fill up yung warranty sa loob. So, let's open it. So, ayan, sa loob, it has the TV Plus, Internet, and ito siguro yung guide para mag-load. Ayan. And then, yung kanyang installation guide. Ayan. Instructions. And then, ito ang nasa loob. So, first is the box itself. The remote. Ayan. So, actually, ang remote yung may pinaka main item sa box. Ayan. Next is the actual box. Ayan. So, ang maganda dito guys is it's compatible sa lahat ng types of TV. Hindi kailangan na not necessarily smart TV lang. So, bongga siya if your TV is yung old-fashioned na TV like that. Ayan. So, next is the ABS-CBN prepaid broadband stick, speed up to 7.2 Mbps. Ayan, sa loob, you can see the serial, yung mga serial number. Ayan. If unused, this SIM will expired. Sabi doon, 60 days. Ayan. So it says this broadband stick is exclusively bundled with ABS-CBN TV Plus, not for individual sale. Ayan. So, dito, may laman. So, it has a battery, which is nice for the remote. Ito yung cable that you need to connect it to the TV. And then this one, I guess, is the power plug. And, oops. This one, I guess, is the antenna. I'm not sure. Ayan ang itsura niya, I guess. Yeah, ito siya. Ito ay antenna or for the signal. Ate, alis ka daw dyan. Ayan. Excited ka na, ate? Ikaw, Sky, excited ka na, Sky? No. Ayan.